KOI 5715.01 is an exoplanet candidate not yet confirmed as a fully validated planet that has drawn interest because it might be what some call a superhabitable world. Here's what we do know and what's speculative about KOI 5715.01. Basic facts and system, property value, estimate notes, and uncertainties. Host star KOI 5715, a K-type K3V orange dwarf cooler and smaller than the Sun. Distance from Earth approximately 2,960 for light years tilde 886 parsecs plus or minus approximately equals 30%. Discovery method, status transit method. Candidate status initially flagged in 2015, later analyzes re-evaluated its status. Orbital period approximately 189.9 days based on Kepler light curve fits. Semi-major axis tilde 0.6066 astronomical units based on fits to transit data and host star parameters. Planet radius tilde 1.93 Earth radii are. Within uncertainties tilde plus 0.46 minus 0.13. Equilibrium temperature tilde 260 K, that's about minus 13 degrees Celsius before factoring in atmospheric effects. Why it's called superhabitable. Scientists, notably Dirk Schultz-Mackach et al., have speculated that some planets might be more favorable for life than Earth, i.e. superhabitable. KOI 5715.01 is often mentioned in that context because its host star, a K-dwarf, has a longer stable lifespan than a Sun-like star, giving more time for life. The planet's estimated age is approximately 5.5 billion years, which is somewhat older than Earth's approximately 4.5 billion years. This additional time might allow ecosystems to mature in richer ways. Its radius approximately equals 1.93 R suggests it's somewhat larger than Earth, which can help with maintaining an atmosphere and perhaps geological activity favorable to climate regulation, though this also raises potential challenges. The equilibrium temperature to 160 K is not too far off from Earth's average when you allow for greenhouse warming, so if the atmosphere is favorable, the surface might be warm enough for liquid water in some regions. That said, superhabitable here is speculative. It means intriguingly favorable under certain assumptions rather than guaranteed life. Challenges, caveats, and unknowns. Candidate status. It's not confirmed. Some earlier observations even tagged it as a possible false positive. Composition and atmosphere unknown. We don't yet know if it's rocky, gaseous, or something in between. The atmosphere, if any, and greenhouse effects are purely speculative at this point. Gravity and surface conditions. With a radius roughly 1.93 Earth's surface gravity could be significantly higher depending on density. That could impose constraints on what kind of life, as we know it could thrive. Temperature estimate is equilibrium temperature. That's the temperature assuming no atmosphere or greenhouse effect. The real surface temperature could differ widely depending on atmosphere, albedo, and other factors. Distance and observability. Nearly 3,000 light-years away, it's extremely distant. That makes follow-up observations, for example spectroscopy of its atmosphere, very challenging.